Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You are watching Stories by Sundus Ali, and today I am telling you a great story of a great prophet, Hazrat Shoaib A.s. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who destroyed Ad and Thamud in the previous story. The nations in Arabia which denied Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's favor and denied his Anbiya such as Hud and Salih alayhi salam, the believers who were saved lived and taught the people Iman and the stories of Hud and Salih. Months passed into years. With the passage of time, people forgot the stories of Ad and Thamud. They once again denied Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and worshipped idols. Once again, the devil won over the children of Adam alayhi salam. Midian was an Arab tribe like Ad and Thamud. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed, so from a few they became many. He gave them strength and health in their bodies. He blessed their sustenance and fruits. Instead of turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in gratitude and worship, they obeyed the devil and denied Allah. Their town was in Syria. Trade caravans used to pass by their town day and night. The people of Midian used to sit by the roads. They waited for the caravans to pass by and then would rob them. They made the people scared. They used to live off this haram, stolen money instead of the halal money, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed them with. They used to have another bad habit. They used to cheat when weighing. They used to take more when buying and give less when selling. Shuaib A.s. said, O my people, fulfill measure and weight with justice. Do not take away from the people their things, and do not spread corruption on earth. Please, those things of Allah which remain are better for you if you are believers. Shuaib A.s. warned them that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who could become angry at haram money and blessings are lost. The one who does that becomes poor and will have no money left. In the akhirah, he will be punished in hell. Shuaib A.s. encouraged them to earn halal money with blessings even if it is a little. Halal provision from Allah is better than stealing. The disbelievers said, Does your Allah cause you to command us to leave what our forefathers worshipped and do what we want to with our money? You are very patient and holy, O Shu'ayb. They were making fun of Shuaib A.s. and what he called them to. Shuaib A.s. explained to them that he had strong belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, Shuaib A.s. made it clear to them that he relied on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and did not want a reward from them for guiding them. They stayed stubborn. So Shuaib A.s. reminded them of what happened to Ad, Thamud and the people of Lut A.s. He said, Do you not fear that you will be struck like what struck the nation of Nuh, the nation of Hud, the nation of Salih, and not far from you was the nation of Lut? They disbelieved and denied the messengers, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them. They knew these stories already, but they stayed stubborn. The disbelievers of Midian stayed on their disbelief and oppression. Shuaib A.s. never stopped calling them to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When he learned that nobody more would believe besides those who already believed, he said, O my people, do what you will in your places, for I do what I will. Soon you will know who it is that will be struck with a humiliating punishment and who is the liar. Wait for the punishment. I am waiting with you. Shuaib A.s., the disbelievers and the believers all waited for the punishment. Allah Jalla Shanahu ordered the punishment on the people of Midian who disbelieved. It became so hot that they nearly died. There was no wind for 7 days. The water was boiling. It did not quench thirst. There was no shade to take shelter in. There was no breeze to cool them. They left their houses and went out to the fields. They saw a cloud. They thought that there will be shade and rain, so they went under the cloud. When all the disbelievers were under the cloud, it threw hot fire and sparks at them. The earth shook and a shout came from the sky. All of them died. Midian was destroyed just as Thamud was destroyed. As for Shuaib A.s., Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered him to go live in Makkah. When he saw that his people had been destroyed by the shout, he said, O my people, I brought you the messages of my Rabb and advised you. How can I be sad over a disbelieving people? Shuaib A.s. had fulfilled his trust. He had warned his people about the punishment. He reminded them of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's favors and advised them properly. He deeply wished them to be guided. That did not benefit them because they were astray. Those who go astray will not have any helper or guide. Shuaib A.s. lived in Makkah and then went back to Madian. Musa A.s. then met him there and married his daughter. Shuaib A.s. and the believers passed away in Madian and buried there. I hope you like this story. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.